In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test emails inside HubSpot. A/B testing is a valuable tool for optimizing your email marketing strategy. It allows you to experiment with different versions of an email to see which performs better with your audience. This process not only helps refine your content, but also increases engagement and conversion rates over time. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into HubSpot. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home dashboard. From here, find and click on the Marketing option in the navigation menu. This is where you'll find the tools related to your marketing endeavors, including email marketing. Once you're in the marketing section, select Email from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the email management area, where you can see a list of your existing email campaigns. Scroll through your list and click on the email you wish to A/B test. Now, with your selected email open, look for the Create A/B Test option. Clicking on this will begin the process of setting up your test. You'll be prompted to create two versions of your email, version A and version B. Try varying one element at a time between these versions, such as the subject line, call to action, or even the images used. This will allow you to determine which specific changes lead to improvements. Once you've created your two email versions, it's time to define your test criteria. You'll be asked to specify what portion of your email list will receive each version and what metric will determine success. Typically, you'll want your audience evenly split between version A and version B to ensure fairness in testing. Decide whether you're looking at open rates, click-through rates, or another metric to evaluate the results. Finally, review all the details to make sure everything looks good. Then hit Start Test to execute your A/B test. It's crucial to let the test run for a period that gathers enough data to ensure statistically significant results. This might require some patience, but will be very beneficial in providing insights. Remember, A/B testing is an iterative process. The insights gained from one test can lead you to ask new questions or consider additional changes in future emails. With each test, you'll move closer to discovering the most effective ways to engage with your audience through email marketing on HubSpot.